everyone, this is Riki and me, and today we're showing you how to do some chop. Yeah. Today's veggies that we're going to use for Riki's chop is going to be bell pepper, carrot, cucumber, broccoli, I love broccoli, it's like a little tree, and some kale. So I got more kale, it's just in the bowl. And I didn't do a lot because I did have a little problem before doing a lot, and turns out it's not very good because it just gets rotten. So it's for one day he eats it, or maybe two, so I keep in the fridge, yeah. But you know, it still can get bad, so yeah. This plastic white bowl, and I will be putting his lovely chop in here. If you look at it, it doesn't look the most pleasant way you would expect it, but Riki loves it, and I'm pretty sure your bird will love it as well. This is good for the kind of birds who don't like to eat veggies just by looking at them. For example, Riki's not a big fan of carrot, but I put carrots in there and he just eats it and he loves it. To make a bird even more interested, what you can do is you can add some seeds, you can add a bit of raisin, date, I don't know what your bird likes, just like a little treat to make it interested, millet. Yeah, I'm just saying lots of things and it's all mumbled up. But chop is important at any time, not only when it's your bird's molting, but also just at any other day, because we need to keep those vitamins and we need to have a healthy pet. Yeah. Look at that molting face. He also has this block of minerals. So there's some flower